Atera's billing module can be used to keep track of time and service contracts supplied to end users. Before we dive deep into the billing process, it's important that Atera users properly set the foundation necessary in order to carry out the billing batches. These items include creating a customer, building contracts for your customers, using the ticketing system in Atera, and uploading your products and expenses, which can be done via the admin portal by selecting products and expenses in basic setup. If you haven't yet completed the above, we recommend visiting our videos and knowledge base articles to assist with any of the preliminary setup processes. It's important to note that billing batches will be based on your contracts and the period selected within those contracts. This will dictate which service will indeed be billable at the time you're creating your batch. This contract, for example, is an hourly contract with a rate of $150 per hour. You'll notice a field for period. Here, we can see the various billing options. If you select monthly, tickets closed under this contract will only be billable at the end of the monthly cycle. If you select on demand, for example, tickets under this contract may be billed at any time. Keep this in mind when building out your contracts going forward. To begin billing your customers, we'll head into the billing section found on the left-hand side of the page. On the right, you'll find invoices you've previously exported once you've processed a batch. And on the left-hand side, you'll be able to see all the batches which you've created. To begin creating a batch, click on Create New Batch. Select the customer which you'd like to bill. On the right-hand side, you'll find an option to see the billing info. This option will let you see an overview of the items selected for billing. Assign a name to the batch on the right-hand side. And click Run. We can now either create an invoice or export our batch. You'll notice an option for Invoice Line Groups By. This option will let you adjust the invoice format by contract, ticket, or time entry format. Further to selecting an option, click on Generate Invoices. You can always adjust this after having already generated the invoices by simply clicking an alternate option and clicking on Regenerate Invoices. Upon doing so, you can click on Edit to view the invoice, and you may also print the invoice from this screen as well. Additionally, you'll find export options on the right-hand side as well. When clicking on Export, you'll be able to export to QuickBooks Online or desktop. This is also the process in which you'll begin the sync between your QuickBooks account and Atera. Alternatively, you can also export a CSV0 formatted file or a standard CSV format file. For more information on billing, please visit our extensive knowledge base articles or contact our support team for further assistance.